everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on to show you how I made all these things using Vevor's 8-in-1 heat press 360 rotation swing away top. Hey everyone, today's video is sponsored by Vevor. They sent me over their heat press to try out and give my honest opinion, and I've had it for a few weeks now, dibbling in it, and so far so good. So this is the machine here. Let me show you what it comes with. Like I said, it is an 8-in-1, so it comes with all these parts and a mug press and I think a tumbler press, a hat press, a plate press, and of course the big heat press. And this heat press, when you open it, it swings away with a 360 turn. But you have to have the space to spring it 360. And then you can just bring it back. And here are some of the parts here. Now this is the mug press machine that we have here. And then there's a different size. I think it does tumblers too. I think this is for a tumbler. I'm not sure the sizes, I didn't look. But these pieces here are for that. And then we have the hat press over here that you can hook up to the machine. And then you can press hats. And I think this is also, whoops, the piece fell off. But this is also another piece here that goes with the mug press for a tumbler. And each piece you connect with this wire. Each of them have a little wire to connect to the part where you heat it. And then we have this here. It's for doing sublimation with the plates. This one for a smaller plate, and you put it together if you're doing it with a bigger plate. Now you do have to put the power cord in. It's not attached, so you just attach it to the back of the machine, and then you just snap this little piece back onto the machine. So first I'm going to show you how to use the mug press. So I'm just connecting it to the power outlet here. And here we go, it's all set up. And this, you could take off each mug thing that just screws right off. And you place it in. I'm using this one. It's the right size for what I need today. So I'm leaving that one in there. And then you turn it on, it will heat up. And then you just press it in closer. Now it's good for sublimation, but your girl, and then this here, you tighten it or loosen it to how much pressure you want for your sublimation. So I'm going to bring it up to the temperature that I want. Okay, I'm going to do this cup here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and your girl is not doing sublimation. I'm doing regular iron-on vinyl, because you can do cups with regular iron-on vinyl. So I got this image here out of Cricut Design Space. So I'm just going to lay it going around our cup or mug, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm just going to place it in here. And I'm going to do 315 for 30 seconds. I don't know if it will work, but we're going to give it a try. So I'm just going to close it, and I'm going to start the ironing, the pressing time. So I'm just going to speed up the time. And now it's all done, so we're going to open it back and take out our mug. Now it is hot, not too hot that I can't touch it, but it is hot. So I'm just gonna let it cool off a bit. All right, it's cool now, so now I'm peeling it off. And it looks good. It looks good. There we go, it says Mamacita. I love it. You know, you don't only have to use sublimation on cups. You could use regular vinyl too. iron-on vinyl. Regular iron-on vinyl, you could heat press them to your mugs. So now we are going to use our heat press. So we have the little attachment here. So we're going to attach it to the power part. And then we're just going to set the temperature that we want it to iron at, and then we'll set the time, how long we want it to press for. Okay, I set it for 315 for 15 seconds, and I'm going to swing it away. So the heat is nowhere near me. And then we are going to do a tote bag. Yeah, so I'm just going to place it on here. And then we're going to swing back our machine, the top part. And I'm just going to press it for a few seconds to take out any moisture that's in there. And now I'm just going to use the lint to remove any excess lint that we have on our tote bag. And I have this image here that I got from BB Craft. Yeah, they sell iron-on stuff too. So I got this here, so I'm going to place it to go on my tote bag, and I'll be covering it up with a piece of butcher paper. Then bring back the top of our heat press, and then I'm pressing it down at 315 for 15 seconds. I'm not sure the exact pressing time, because it didn't tell me, no instructions, but I'm gonna do it like this. So there we go, and I think I'll let it cool a little bit before I peel it back. Okay, so now I'm going to peel it back because it's all cool. And there we go. OMG. I think it looks very nice. Look at that, you guys. It looks so nice. Okay, for our next DIY, I'm going to do a pillowcase. So swing away the arm. I like this. The only downfall is that you have to have the space to swing it all the way around. Or you could even just swing it to the side. That would be good too. So I'm taking out the moisture. And then we'll just swing it away. And I'll use the lint roller. And then I have this image here I got out of Cricut Design Space. It's a pumpkin. So I'm just gonna center it to the best I can. Then bring back the machine. And then we'll press it for 15 seconds. Okay, all done. And it's very easy to handle. I love it. I like that the heat is away from you. And then now I'm going to add the other pieces, the other layers. And here I'm just adding the Teflon paper to protect the vinyl that we already pressed down. Bring back our cover and start our timer. All done. Swing away. And there we go. So here is our first pumpkin. Glam pumpkin. It looks so nice. So now we're going to do the other side of our pillowcase. Yes. So one pillow and you'll have two looks. Whichever way you like to turn your pillow, it will be okay. So same thing again. Just press it. Then swing away. Let it cool for a minute. And now it's cool. We're just going to remove the carrier sheet. Feels nice. Now we're going to add our other layers. So now it's cool. And we're just going to remove our carrier sheets. And there we go. Another Glam pumpkin. You could use this side or use that side. Isn't that neat? I love it. And now I'm going to do a t-shirt using this design, which I also got from BB Craft. It's rhinestones. I think it looks so cute. So let's place it on our sweatshirt. Bring the arm, press it down. Okay, so now it's cool. We're going to remove the carrier sheet. Doesn't this look nice? It says walking in faith. And then you have the 2 high heels. That is so cute. And now for the back of our t-shirt, I'm putting walk by faith, not by sight. I'm gonna let it cool for a bit before we peel back the carrier sheet. And now it's all cool, so we're gonna just remove the carrier sheet. Walk by faith, not by sight. And here's all the items that we made with our Vevor 15 by 15 8-in-1 heat press. Swing away arm. I love it. Everything turned out so nice. It is a sublimation press, but you know it's not only sublimation iron-on that you can do. There's lots of different iron-ons that you can use this machine from. And as you see, I love how everything turned out. And the mug press with the mug, OMG. I love it, mamacita. That is so nice. So I'm going to leave a link below to Vevor, where you guys can go over and check out their 8-in-1 pressing swing away heat press. Yes, and I have a coupon code for you. I'll put it across the screen here. So you guys, and here is the second look of the pumpkin. Remember we did pumpkins. Here's the second look of the pillowcase. Remember we did both sides with a different pumpkin. So any side you choose, you can switch it around and have it display on wherever you want to put it. On your couch, on your bed, anywhere you want to put your pillow will be fine. And I love all the items that we did today. And my favorite thing is the mug press. Honestly, my favorite thing is the mug press. I love it. And it has the other ones too for the tumbler and all these things. I'll be doing more DIYs with that and sharing with you guys. Alright, remember I'm going to leave the link down below to Vevor so you guys can go over and check this out. Check out this heat press. It's really neat. I love that it swings away and the heat is away from you. I love it. Absolutely love it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the items that I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.